Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone call failed issue. The first thing that I would recommend you do is check if your SIM card is inserted properly. And if your SIM card is inserted properly and you're picking up network, as you can see in the top left hand section where you see Digicel, you're going to tap on settings. Then you're going to tap on airplane mode, and you're going to select airplane mode, and then you're going to toggle it on again. Just give it about 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it on again. If after doing that you still go in and you still cannot send out a call, the next thing that I would recommend you do is you tap on General. Then you're going to check if your phone needs a software update right here. And if it doesn't need an update, the other thing that you will need to do, as you can see, mine needs an update. You'll simply tap on download and install for the update. But if your device doesn't need an update, the other thing that I would recommend you do is scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you're going to tap on reset. And from here, you're going to tap on reset network settings. This will normally work. Hopefully it does for you. If it does, be sure to let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.